The speaker stand was provided for our review by Fivecore. This is my first time installing it with an actual speaker, and the speaker is quite heavy, and you'll see what I'm talking about. This is a great stand that is extremely sturdy. It's perfect for DJs and studio monitors. It adjusts, it's adjustable. It will stand all the way up to 48 inches. It gives you the perfect height for any type of setup. As you can see, it's super secure, so you kind of have like that double security, and then you have that little kind of like a screw-in security, so it doesn't fall down, so it doesn't like falter down with the weight of the speaker. Whether you're in the studio or on the stage, the stand will offer stability, precision. The sound will always be spot on. And look at that, it fits exactly perfectly on that classic standard hole at the bottom of your speakers. And boom, this speaker, like I said, extremely heavy, and it fits perfectly. It withstands the weight, and it looks terrific. I'm a big fan.